Today is day one of the new construction build. It's going to be a oak river rock kitchen, and we're gonna be putting the kitchen in with a big island, also a master bath with a utility built into a alcove, and also 4 cabinets and laundry room. So follow along as we get it done today. See you on the job site. Here we usually leave our platforms off on our Lazy Susan so we can get them through the door. Unfortunately, this door is a 42, I think, inch door. We could have left it on, but...
Do you have lines?
No, I don't have lines yet. We usually just put them on once we get them through the door.
Should actually probably do it.
Should be 3 inches.
Yep.
Good.
I think turn high one over here, go up a little bit.
Sometimes it's better when doing these Lazy Susans to do, if you have small cabinets going next to them, screw them together and put them in as one, because independently they're just harder to level. I think we'll screw these together where we want them and then set them up in place. Got the shit in the back.
Yeah.
Off the wall.
Yes, probably it'll be off the wall. Oh, can you put it where it needs to be on the back? Real far back.
We're about there.
Yeah. Yeah, let's screw it to the wall. I think this is where it needs to sit.
If you enjoy woodworking projects or like watching construction, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing our channel because it motivates us to keep making more videos. See you on the job site. Today is the second day of the install at the new construction build. We should be finishing that up today, finishing the kitchen, putting in the laundry room, and also finishing the bathroom. Follow along as we get it done. See you on the job site. The doors weren't quite ready through finishing when we brought the kitchen in. We wanted to get the kitchen installed, so we're bringing the doors in on day 2 and hanging them, which kind of saved us a step in the beginning because usually we have to take the doors off anyway to hang the cabinets. So here we're just putting the doors on, getting it all adjusted, and ready for handles, and handles are going on as well. Here's how we're going to do our handle locations. We're going to a predetermined jig, and we're going to just poke them with this poker. It sets a dent in right there so we can pre-drill it. There you go. Whenever you're doing multiple hinges like this in a whole kitchen, you definitely want to make a jig. It makes it so much easier. So here we're getting ready to put the island down, screw down the floor, and get the, I guess, the wainscot on. We use angle brackets to attach the cabinet to the floor, which this is getting granite, so it's going to be super heavy. We really just want the island not to shift around.
All right. That's that.
I'm a little long, or a little short.
You're a little short?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm a little short too.
So at the
Suck all of it together. Are you ready? Is it push tight? You look good?
Yep. Keep going. That's good.
We can relieve the tension.
Yeah, take this screw out of that. You get the shim out of there without falling in?
No.
Yeah, but we need the shim out so that we can
I don't think the shim will come out.
put a screw down in there.
Oh.
You're gonna cut your finger. Guaranteed. Don't do that. What are you, an idiot? You're gonna cut your finger.
I'm trying to get it out.
Here, That's what we're gonna do. Take this shim. Pull it out. Put one in over here too. Then we can pull that shim out. Maybe pull the shim out. You jammed it in there so far. Might not ever come out.
It's okay. It doesn't need to come out.
Yeah, it does because we're too long. We're like a 1/4 inch too long.
Oh.
We need to shrink the distance so that the wainscot's not so long. So we're tightening the gap here.
More?
Yeah. Keep going. A little bit more. One more time. One more. There, you got it. We could take probably this shim out.
I think we'll have to take that shim out, suck the bottom in, do the bottom, and then push on this back out.
I put one in.
That's actually too much. Is that good?
About the same all the way down now. Just gonna put a bracket at the bottom.
More?
Yeah, trouble it. That's good. Not gonna get any tighter than that.
Money.
That's it for today. Be back tomorrow.
All right, we're here back at the one job we got going on. We just put this utility in. Now, we're going to put 4 cabinets here for the vanity. It's a 2-bowl vanity. We'll put you guys on a time lapse and speed through that, and then take you into the laundry room, show you what's going on in there. Now moved over into the laundry room to set these 3 bases. These are the last 3 cabinets we have to set. And after we set these, we just gotta go do some crown. We've got some other miscellaneous things to do. Then we will be all done here. Done setting cabinets. Now I gotta just do a little belt sanding on this top here just because it has a little bit of a difference in height. So I'm gonna belt sand that real quick. Now I'm gonna start on the crown and crown this whole thing here. And we'll take you guys along for the ride on that. That is anticlimactic. That's unfortunate. Where are they? All right. Got a new piece of sandpaper after that little conundrum. Try to do this again. Fit. Nope. All right. Back to business.
This belt sander here I've had for probably about 25 years, definitely older than Trevor is here. So it's been a great belt sander, and Porter Cables are an awesome belt sander.
Start putting some crown on here. I just got one little corner piece on, but I think I'm actually going to start over here and work my way around. Perfect. How, like, you want to have that right where that frame ends, you want to have a perfect position here, right at that. 11 seconds. All right, we're back another day, and I accidentally put up a couple pieces without filming it. I kind of forgot, but I'm gonna try to finish off these 2 pieces right here, and we'll move on to the other side of the kitchen.
Here he's got to mark around this window casing here and notch it out so it fits in tight to the wall, but also fits in tight to the casing. So he's got to make some measurements and take a look at a few things to make sure it fits. We use a stain marker and super glue to make sure that not only the corner is tight, but also that you don't see any white of the wood from the cut. We don't use a brad nailer here. We're using a pin nailer. It's a cordless DeWalt pin nailer. I'll also add the link in the description if you're interested in buying one of those. It's a great tool for crown. And then also he putties all the corners and all the nails.
That's that side done. This is the kitchen with a nice island with a big wainscot panel. Nice red oak with, I think it's called red rock stain maybe, I could be wrong. But we didn't put any of the toe kick on or anything because the flooring guys are gonna come and do that. And they laid the floor. Yeah, this is the kitchen. We come over here, this room, I think this is the master bedroom. We have the vanity, two bowl vanity with a nice utility. It's probably gonna be used for a linen closet. And on the other side of the house, there is the laundry room that we also did. And that is it. And your washer and dryer hookups, and you're right there.